Welcome to Consumer Law, What Is It Good For? The series where we look at, consider and try to answer frequently asked questions that come into our legal advice helpline at Stormcatcher Law and from clients. And today we're filming from the famous Bourbon Street in New Orleans, featured in the James Bond film Live and Let Die. It's early hours of the morning here, so party has not yet started. And today's question comes from a number of people who predictably are concerned after receiving their recall notice involving their Ford Kuga plug-in hybrid vehicles and being told that they shouldn't charge their vehicles because of a fire risk. And the process of dealing with this matter in terms of your legal rights is as follows. Firstly, if you've bought a vehicle by way of finance, appreciating that you actually collected it from a dealer but you funded it by way of finance, then your inquiry must be directed to the finance company, not to the manufacturer and not to the dealership. You must write to the finance company in an email to their customer services email address and explain to them that you've received your recall notice, and in consequence of there not being a current fix, that you wish to reject your vehicle. And under the Financial Conduct Authority rules, the finance company must investigate your complaint and provide you with a resolution or an answer to your complaint by way of a formal response within 8 weeks thereafter. If, on the other hand, you bought your vehicle from a dealership and you didn't fund it by way of car finance, or you funded it by way of a personal loan, then you follow the same process, but in this time, instead of writing to the finance company, of course, you direct your inquiry to the dealership. Do not direct your complaint to Ford. I've read online lots of institutions, including the Motor Ombudsman, for example, have said that they're speaking to Ford to try and find out a resolution, or find out when a resolution may be available to this for this matter. But the reality is that under the rules, you do not have a contract with Ford, and therefore it is not they that are going to assist you in this matter. Once you've written your complaint, you should get a response, and that response will set out the reasons why they're either upholding your complaint or not upholding your complaint. And it's at that stage, if you don't get what you're looking for, then of course you have the opportunity to come back to us and ask for legal advice. You can contact us through email at knowledge@stormcatcher.co.uk or through our legal advice helpline of 0333 700 7676.